Hello everyone, Kanika this side, former SA of Toastmasters Club of West Delhi. Today I am here to explain you the role of Sergeant at Arms, also known as SAA SA. So the very first thing, before starting the meeting and before the day of the meeting, you have to take care that all the logistics, whether it is some props of the speakers or anything, the banners, the registers, everything are in place, and so that on that day you don't rush up for anything. So you need to prepare, this is one day before the meeting, that everything, all the logistics are in place, the place is well equipped. Then the next is starting the meeting. Now when you start the meeting, you have to just be you have to start with the rules and regulations and of Toastmasters International, and also with the mission statement of Toastmasters International. Now after beginning, you hand over the stage to the president and the proceedings went further. But being a star is really very important, and everyone need to experience that, because when you are the star, you get to be you, whether you have a speech slot or any of the role in the meeting or not, but you will be on stage, right? So isn't it a blessing that being a star, you are stage in every meeting, right? Then in the first 5 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the times you are given, you can actually take all your creativity out. You can do whatever you want and just begin the meeting with some enthusiasm, because you are the main lead. You have to take the proceedings further, and also if you will be not energetic, then the meeting will not go on a really good note, right? So the energy is actually required. So being a SA is an amazing experience. Everyone should go for it, and you have to take care of the logistics, and logistics actually include everything. It includes the place where the meeting is being held, the certificates, the registers, the duster, the board, everything. You need to take care of it. And before starting the meeting, you need to be there at least 20 minutes to half an hour before, so that you can actually set up the place, so that the meeting could start on time. So yeah, that's all about SA, and it was an amazing experience for me, and it actually brought the creative person out of me. I was able to start the meeting with enthusiasm. So yeah, being a SA is great, and I would encourage you all to be the SA. And that's all for the role of SA. Thank you so much.